Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, year 2025. Ayan guys, my first travel in Samar to Leyte, boundary of Samar to Leyte guys. So we are now here in San Juanico Bridge. Ito po yung mukha ng San Juanico Bridge guys paggabi guys. So ayan, makikita nyo guys. So yan, napakasimple lang siya. This is the oldest bridge since in Apo Lakay, yung ama ng ating presidente. Ayan po guys, so makikita nyo guys. Ayan, so the beauty of San Juanico Bridge. So ito guys, ito yung boundary guys. So hanggang dito lang yung Samar. So after dito guys, pag lumagpas na tayo, that is Leyte na. So that is the town of Tacloban, Leyte. So ayan guys, makikita nyo, hindi na kasi makita kasi madilim na. Ayan lang po, may nakalagay dyan sa welcome to Leyte guys. So ayan guys, di tayo makapagpa-picture guys kasi ang nangyari, bawal kasi dito guys. Okay lang kung maglalakad ka. So ayan guys, so may the best experience guys for tonight, and the best experience din in stress reliever guys when I was travel from Borongan, Eastern Samar to Tacloban, Leyte. Ayan guys, so this is the San Juanico. That is the center of San Juanico Bridge guys. So thank you for your viewing. Please see the next video for tomorrow guys. Bye bye. So yan lang. Makikita mo yung beauty niya sa baba. So nakita mo na. So the next dito makikita mo rin yung the second longest bridge in the Philippines. Madaanan din natin sa Mindanao, yung going to boundary ng Osamis versus Lanao. Oo, mas mataas pa dito, diba? So ayun, Leyte na. So welcome to Leyte. Leyte na ka. So ayun, nasa Leyte na tayo. Thank you guys, thank you for viewers, thank you mga viewers. Ayan po, bye bye.